Accounting Standard 25, Interim Financial Reporting. This standard applies if an entity is required or elects to publish an interim financial report. The objective of Accounting Standard 25 is to prescribe the minimum content of an interim financial report and to prescribe the principles for recognition and measurement in complete or condensed financial statement for an interim period. In simple, interim financial report is intended to provide an update on the latest annual financial statements. It focuses on new activities, events and circumstances and does not duplicate information previously reported. Accounting Standard 26, Intangible Assets. Accounting Standard 26 prescribes the accounting treatment for intangible assets, that is, identifiable non-monetary asset without physical substance held for use in the production or supply of goods or services for rental to others or for administrative purpose. Examples of intangible assets include goodwill, copyright, patent, trademark, etc. Accounting Standard 27, Financial Reporting of Interest in Joint Ventures. The objective of Accounting Standard 27 is to set out principles and procedures for accounting for interest in joint ventures and reporting of joint venture assets, liabilities, income and expenses in the financial statements of venturers and investors. It is applicable only where consolidated financial statements are prepared and presented by the venturer. Accounting Standard 28, Impairment of Assets. This standard lays down the procedure that need to be followed when there is a reduction in the value of assets so as to ensure that the carrying amount of the assets does not exceed the recoverable amount. This standard does not apply for inventories, assets arising under construction contract and deferred tax assets. Accounting Standard 29, Provisions, Contingent Liabilities and Contingent Assets. The objective of Accounting Standard 29 is to ensure that appropriate recognition criteria and measurement bases are applied to provisions and contingent liabilities and that sufficient information is disclosed in the notes to the financial statements to enable users to understand their nature, timing and amount. The objective of this standard is also to lay down appropriate accounting for contingent assets. As Accounting Standard 30, 31 and 32 are withdrawn by ICAI, therefore there are total of 29 accounting standards.